AIs can be pretty smart until it's not. Here are some common hiccups that can throw AI off its games. Now, first being tall tales, which are also known as hallucinations. Sometimes AI just makes stuff up. It can spit out totally believable but utterly false info. Imagine asking an AI for a legal fact and it gives you a law that doesn't exist. The latest OpenAI model has been caught doing this 33% more often than its predecessors. Not good in life or death fields like healthcare. The second being bias blunders. If AI is trained on data packed with stereotypes, guess what? It will repeat these biases louder than a parrot, whether it's job hiring or credit scoring. Biased AI can end up unfairly favoring one group over another. The third being tunnel vision, which you can also call limited data. If an AI only learns from a tiny slice of data, it's like teaching a chef to cook with just salt and pepper. Sure, they can make something, but will it be good? Probably not. AI needs diverse data to handle all kinds of situations. Now the fourth being lost in translation, which you can also call context confusion. In this fact, we're saying AI can be as clueless as a robot at a poetry slam. It might miss context, twist meanings, or just respond weirdly, leading to miscommunications and also misunderstandings. Now the fifth being no fact checking. Without a built-in BS detector, AI can confidently deliver nonsense without a second thought. If it has a body to double check its work, it might not mess up so much. What do you think? The sixth reason being external whammies. An AI performance can wobble if the data it's fed or the environment it runs in isn't up to snuff. A glitchy input or outdated framework can send it spinning off course. So dear guys, now let's talk about how AI goofups can affect us. AI blunders can mess up with our lives in sneaky and serious ways. Bias can reinforce harmful stereotypes affecting hiring, loans, or legal outcomes. Context mix-ups can spread misinformations. And if AI is inconsistent or unpredictable, we lose trust. And that's a big deal when it's driving cars or diagnosing a disease. A single bad input can make AI act weird, creating risk in crucial settings. Plus, when AI decisions are murky, tracing who is to blame gets really tricky. With all this said, what's more important is there actually a solution to all this? Do we still have hope for AIs getting better and more reliable? Leads us to talk about Mira. Now, Mira is like the AI babysitter, making sure things stay on track. Now, let's talk about how Mira can actually help resolve all these issues we mentioned above. Now, the first being fact-checking squad. Now, Mira uses a bunch of AIs to cross-check each other's work, so if one model starts spouting nonsense, the other can still call it out. The second being bias busters. Mira keeps an eye on fairness, using diverse data to avoid repeating outdated stereotypes. The third being data buffets. Instead of just training on a tiny slice of the world, Mira goes for a full spread. That's all kinds of data to cover all kinds of scenarios. Context clues. Mira helps AI get better at reading the room so it understands the context and doesn't say something that's way out of field or something that's even out of field at all. The next being track and tweak. Mira is always watching how AI performs, fine-tuning it to stay sharp and updated. The next we have transparency boost. Mira lets users see how AI thinks, so it's less of a black box and more of a glass house. That's actually really fascinating. Now we actually get to see how all these things operate and we're not left in the dark. Now lastly we have the community power. Now Mira gets everyone involved. nobody at all is left out. Users, developers, data providers, we are all in the development of the AI system, rewarding us for catching bugs and improving the system. Now, Mira turns AI into team effort, making it smarter, safer, and a whole lot more reliable. What do you think, guys? Do you think Mira is up to the task of keeping AI in check? Let me know in the comment section below. Hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on updates I'll be dropping here.